The crops are all in, the peaches are rotting, the oranges piled in their creosote dumps. They're flying you back to the Mexican border to pay all your money to way back again. My father's own father, he waded that river. They took all the money he made in his life. My brothers and sisters come working the fruit trees, and they rode the truck till they took down and died. Goodbye to my Juan, goodbye Rosalita, adios mis amigos, Jesus y Maria. You won't need your names when you ride the big airplane. All they will call you will be deportees. Some of us are illegal, some are not wanted. Our work contract's out and we've got to move on. 600 miles to the Mexican border. They chase us like outlaws, like rustlers, like thieves. We died in your hills, we died in your deserts. We died in your valleys, we died on your plains. We died 'neath your trees and we died in the bushes. Both sides of the river, we died just the same. Goodbye to my Juan, goodbye Rosalita, adios mis amigos, Jesus y Maria. You won't have your names when you ride the big airplane, 'cause all they will call you will be deportees. The sky plane caught fire over Los Gatos Canyon, a fireball of lightning that shook all our hills. Who are all these friends, all scattered like dry leaves? The radio says they are just deportees. Goodbye to my Juan, goodbye Rosalita, adios mis amigos, Jesus y Maria. You won't have your names when you ride the big airplane. All they will call you will be deportees. Is this the best way we can grow our great orchards? Is this the best way we can grow our good fruit? To fall like dry leaves, to rot on the topsoil, and be called by no name except deportees. Goodbye to my Juan, goodbye Rosalita, adios mis amigos, Jesus y Maria. You won't have your names when you ride the big airplane. All they will call you will be deportees. Goodbye to my Juan, goodbye Rosalita, adios mis amigos, Jesus y Maria. You won't have your names when you ride the big airplane. All they will call you will be deportee.